Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Chromecast and opening the Google Home app on your phone. Tap Add, choose Set Up Device, and let the app scan for the dongle. This pairs the device and exchanges Wi-Fi settings. Once done, follow prompts to grant location and permissions. These let Google Home configure the Chromecast and link accounts. Make sure your phone and Chromecast are on the same network because casting streams directly over Wi-Fi rather than through the cloud, which is why this step is critical. Next, you'll finish configuration. Assign the Chromecast to a room and choose a clear name so voice commands work reliably. Then link your streaming accounts inside Google Home so sign-ins carry over when you cast. Once set, practice casting, open YouTube or Netflix, tap the cast icon, and select your Chromecast. This starts a direct stream. Make sure to enable guest mode for visitors and configure default speakers or groups, because that controls sound routing and multi-room playback across devices. To complete setup, cast a short video to verify playback, adjust TV input and volume, and set ambient mode preferences. Once done, check Google Home for firmware updates and install them. Updates improve compatibility and fix bugs. If you hit a problem, no cast icon or stuttering, first reboot the router and the Chromecast, then try rejoining the Wi-Fi. If that fails, perform a factory reset by holding the device button for 25 seconds. Use this as a last resort to restore a clean state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.